Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cute animal lamps in Heartopia. So, in Heartopia, you can actually collect these super cute animal lamps like the other show off lights like this, and fox hugging lamb like this, panda lamb, bunny, and then ferret, deer, capybara, and alpaca like this. They are perfect for decorating your space and making you feel more alive. But how do you get them? It's actually really simple, but it does require consistency. So to unlock these animal lamps, you need to raise your animal bond over here at the animals, and then in here you need to raise your animal bond until reach level like this, reach level 18. This one. That means you will have to regularly interact with your animals, like feed them, take care of them, interact with them, and keep building that bond over time. And once an animal reaches bond level 18 like this, its corresponding lamp will automatically be unlocked. And like for example, if your panda reaches level 18 like this, you will get the panda lamp. Same goes for alpaca, bunny, and other animals too. So the key here is simple, just keep leveling up your bond with its animal. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. Just good luck collecting all the adorable lamps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!